setting working times, vacations, and holidays for your project. We can use the project calendar to reflect the general working days and hours of our project, as well as regular non-working times, such as weekends and evenings, and special days off, such as holidays. Let's discuss how to add a vacation in Project 2007. We have the Project 2007 open. Click on the Tools menu, then click on Change Working Time. We have the For Calendar list here. Here we have to click the resource whose calendar we want to change. We have all the calendars listed here. Select Night Shift here. We're going to add a vacation here, so in the Change Working Time dialog box, click the Exceptions tab. Type a name for the exception, such as Vacation Day, and the start and finishing times for the time during which the exception will occur. Let's type a tour trip here, and I'm going to give them 2 days off. So I'm selecting 2 days here. And finally, click OK. That's all. We have added a vacation, 2 days off, in our project. Adding a holiday is similar to what we just did now. Now we'll discuss setting working times for the calendar. To change the working time for a calendar, we have to do the same steps. Click on the Tools menu and then click on Change Working Time. In the For Calendar list, click the calendar that we want to change. To change the default work week or working time, click on the Work Weeks tab. Click on Details here. As we click on Details, a separate tab opens here, and here we have 3 options, so let's talk about them now. Use default working times for these days. This is the first option we have here. We can choose the days that should use the default working times, which are 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and non-working times on weekends. Next, we have set days to non-working time. We can choose the days on which no work can be scheduled. For example, if no one in the organization works on a Friday, select Friday here, and then select Set Days to Non-Working Time. And finally, we have set days to these specific working times. To set the working times for selected days throughout the schedule, type the times that we want work to start in the From boxes, and the times we want work to end in the To boxes. For example, if people in the organization work on a Saturday, select Saturday, and then select Set Days to these specific working times. By changing these options, we can change the working time of Project 2007. So until now, we have seen about the calendar options, changing the working time. In the next lesson, we are going to work on customizing options in Project 2007.